Hi, today I'm using Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So just to install iPhone keyboard on our Android phone, so we should first get the application from the Play Store, and now in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then click to open the app, tap to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, then just tap twice to OK and go back. After that, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone keyboard as all of all these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.